This is a 2014 Ford F-250 King Ranch Blue over King Ranch saddle interior. Power driver's seat, power windows, locks, heated power mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, home link for your garage door, trailer brake controls, Bluetooth for your phone, CD player, navigation, electronic climate control, satellite radio, trailer brake controls, streaming audio, power moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, backup camera, lockable tailgate, tonneau cover, spray and bed liner, tailgate step, four-wheel drive, power sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter turbocharged diesel engine, so it's got plenty of torque. Like all pre-owned vehicles, AutoNation Ford St. Pete, and is a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.